Hello everybody, in today's video I want to talk about Sologenic because market index is live now. I want to talk about XRP as they're going to win the case and what will be in this case for Sologenic and some other things. And before I start, I really want to say thank you guys for watching me, more and more people joining my channel, so thank you guys a lot for all your support. I really appreciate it. And I want to start with the market index, which is live couple of days already. So an accurate index with real-time metrics, pricing and up-to-date project details was needed, and now it is live. It is how it looks like. You could check it using sologenic.org/market index in here. And first of all, here you see that this feature with Solo burned in implemented, and to show is in real time how many tokens of Solo has been burned already and how many still in the circulation. They're burning it quite fast, as you see, and it is actually looks very nice with those highlights, trading coins, new listings and features, tokens, and there are different categories for the cryptocurrencies with different types like MERMs, DAOs, DeFi's, fun tokens, gaming tokens, and you could see here this information like price, 24 hours change, volume, market cap, pretty much coin market cap, but for XRP tokens. And if you click for specific token, it is something you will see. Some like, let's say, card for specific token, what is the project is doing, like domain, GitHub, white paper. You could also submit your score, like trust this token or not. In this case, you need to sign the transaction on your device, make sure it's correct, and there is no bot included. In this case, it will be more trusted, and there is the price, all-time highs, all-time lows in here. So yeah, it is how it look like for now, which is very nice. And also they're saying that the market index for tokenized assets, stocks and ETFs will be also added in there. And so far we can test drive the system, tokenize and trade any stock from Nasdaq and New York exchange with real-time data feeds, price quotes, professional charting tools, all the testnet. And it is something I showed already, but I could show it one more time because this simulator looks very nice. So they're almost ready for like implementation in real life, just the regulations and license are part, but at least the tool is ready already, and I think it's already great work done, and we could just be patient as investors and not put so much pressure for the team asking when license again and again, and also when Binance. So yeah, I will also put the link for this testnet for you. It's good to test. You need to separately log into this one, but it's worth it just like to a little bit to play and see how do you like it or not. And there's also one thing when license, we could see the tweet from also Bob Prass, who is saying that his own opinion that Ripple will win the case, saying like it is personal opinion, not financial advice. And also people at the same time asking when license, and he's saying like butterfly effects. And I think if in this case, if Ripple are winning the case, I'm also agreeing that Sologenic will likely have this license, and we will see this simulator in real life more likely, and probably like not at this next second of XRP wins the case, but quite like soon, I mean within the year, I think. But for those of you who are like thinking that Ripple will blow up in the price once they win the case, it is something I'm thinking they could definitely win the case, but I don't think that it will affect the price like insane. I could say maybe it will be close to the all-time highs, maybe it will be easy $1. I just think that the amount of people believing that XRP will win is already high, and these expectations are already part of the price. And yes, it will definitely could make like 3x from the current price. Maybe they could reach their all-time highs from like 3 years ago, 4 years ago, but it is not something that will like change the history of cryptocurrencies. It's just my own opinion, because those expectations already part of this price. It is like price of the Ethereum went up before the merge, very crazy, like for example, price of Atom went very like a lot before Cosmoverse and new tokenomics announcements and something like that. So the price of XRP will also already included those results of XRP wins, if wins, but I think it will happen. It's also my own opinion. So yeah, and for those of you who has own XRPL tokens, it is also the option to add your token in here. It is very easy to do. They have their own like tutorial how to post this. It is in their Twitter account as well, with all the instructions posted in here. So it's like not long time to do for you, and I recommend to do it. And in this case it will be more and more tokens added in here. For now it is about 20 only. Yeah, and it is all I wanted to share with you guys for today. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.